Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Scary Baboon has had a new update, as you can obviously tell. It's back to the OG, and they've got new cosmetics up here. I like the waffle hat, it's my favourite, but this has got a tiny propeller, so come on, let's go downstairs. Dump. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Bang, 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 bang! Eat the floor. And you!
Bro, what's that? Dreaming like parties.
You're kissing yourself, you're trying to kiss you, you're trying to go through the mirror. You can't get through walls, I don't think. Yeah. Right guys, come on, we're gonna have a meeting here. Sit here. You guys sit here, I'll sit here. You guys sit this side here. Mario, sit there. So, that's Mario. Mario, be careful. That's Kian and that's Mario. So guys, today what we're doing is we're playing Scary Baboon until the alarm goes off. Let's go. We'll just head straight into it. Wait, for my screen, Kian, you were in it.
Yeah. You got to follow everything.
There's another one, there's another one, there's another one. Oh my god, Jerry's coming. I had big Jerry coming. Yeah. Where are you?
Come on. Go it. Max, come here. We're going through here. We're going through here.
Where?
Here.
Right, yeah, go up there for a change.
Yeah. Come on, run. Bye, babe. Run.
Hi. As you can tell, I'm not bad at the game. I'm stuck. Guys, I'm not bad at the game. Neither is Mario, neither is Keen. The monsters are just too OP now. Guys, I'm stuck under the table. I have to get out.
Yay. Well, now you're done. Wow, I'm so good at the game. Come on. Yeah.
Hello?
Right, guys, where are you? Oh, well, Mario's Duke and just